So this is going to be new file number 11.py. Now this is used to generate a random number which is an integer. So don't give uppercase. If you are seeing uppercase, change it to lowercase. If not, you will get an error. So leave 2 line gaps, and then you get the user input. So user input is equal to, I want the user to give me from where to where. So this is going to be input. Please give the initial boundary. So that is got from the user. I want to convert it into an integer, so I'm typecasting it, and then you can copy this. In fact, you can give this to be as user input 1. You copy this and you paste it and change the variable first. Change the variable first to 2. That's the first thing you need to do. Now please give the final boundary. So that is got. Having got that, we have to get the random number. Random number is equal to, now you have to invoke, you got to go to the random package. From the random package, you have to get the randint object, and inside that object you will have to send in this parameter. First parameter, comma, the second parameter, after which you print the random number, or you can say the random integer generated is equal to, you can take that out and you give a line gap, or I would say a space, and this is the variable. Random number is a variable. So you save it, go to the file 11.py, you run the terminal, open the terminal and enter the code python.11.py. So it's asking for the boundary. I want a random number between 3 and say 33. Now look at the output. The random integer generated, I will say generated, is 10. Now let me run the code one more time. So python 11.py 333. You see that since it's a random number, we don't get the same output. The output will be changing every time you run the code. So 21. Of course, since it is between 3 and 33, the generation would be limited. Unlike the cases when we are utilizing float. Now that is going to be the next code. Let me move on to the next code.